Welcome to ChinaSecurities.com and Chinese Stocks TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show, bringing the best press releases of the Chinese small and mid-cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great Chinese investments. Friday, August the 13th. No superstition here today. In fact, two great press releases for you. Let's get straight to it. First up, China Industrial Waste Management trades on the OTC and the stock symbol CIWT. They put out their second quarter results for the period ended June 30th. The company says they're an environmental services and solutions provider in China. Highlights, great numbers here. Revenues up 100% to $4.9 million year over year. Gross profit up 94% to $3.1 million. Net income is up 178% to $1.2 million or 7 cents a share. That compares to just $400,000 in profit and 3 cents per share last year. So great number there. What I really like about that is if you extrapolate that 7 cents, and we've done that a couple of times here, if you extrapolate that over a full year, that's 28 cents per share in potential earnings. Yeah, now, yes, there is execution risk. They may not hit that number. They may not be able to extrapolate it. But on the other hand, you have to consider that they may actually grow that number over 4 quarters. So a bit of a safe assumption to call it flat for now. If they can accomplish that, the company closed yesterday at $1.76. You're buying a pretty fast-growing company. Revenue's up 100% for just 6.3 times earnings. So definitely worth your time to do some due diligence. Next up, Sino Gas International trades on the OTC out of the stock symbol SGAS. They put out their first half financial results for the period ended June 30th. Here are the highlights. Revenue up 4% to $12.87 million. Gross profit up just under 44% to just over $4 million. Operating income up 62.5% to $1.84 million. I don't have a net income number. I'm not sure they include that in the press release. It's always a bit of a red flag for me because I always want to see that net income number. So make sure you get yourself over the 10Q and take a look at that net income number. The company says they're a developer of natural gas distribution systems in small and medium-sized cities in China. They're a distributor of natural gas to residential, commercial, and industrial customers. They say that they've got customers in 35 cities across China, and they're servicing 152,000 residential and 7 industrial customers. So not bad. Definitely, they've got a great business going over there. So warrants some due diligence, but take a look at that net in the 10Q. Closed yesterday also 45 cents. Just a hair above their 52-week low of 40 cents. So you may want to take a look and find out if there are any skeletons in the closet because they're way off their 52-week high of $1.40. So you may have a problem and you got to do your own due diligence, or you may be finding a gem. Otherwise, definitely worth due diligence. That's a wrap. As always, if you look for more great Chinese small and mid-cap companies, get yourself to the front page of ChinaSecurities.com. Watch the show on a daily basis. Take a look at the best press release we put out of the space over the past few days. And finally, get stuff in the directory. We're tracking about 300 of the best Chinese small and mid-cap companies trading on North American exchanges. You can sort that list by industry and exchange so you can whittle that down to companies that best suit your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. See you on Monday.